Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video over here, I want to show you when it's a usually good time to replace your rear brake pads. And I'm going to include the vintage style caliper brake pads. And I'm going to also include the newer style on the Pinarello and the newer bikes. So first of all, the bike that I have here is my Bianchi that gets ridden in the city. So this is a honest, real condition in the city. I'm going to show you the front brake. So first of all, let me show you the front. Okay, here we go. I just want to show you the wear. See, lots of meat on the brake pads. Okay, now let me show you here on this one on the back. They're starting to wear down quite a bit. See what I'm talking about? So what you really want to do when you're here at the half, when you're getting closer to the housing, that's the time when you want to replace them. What ends up happening, okay, I usually test drive the Shimano, the Campi, Suntour, SRAM. When you come at the 50% of the brake pads, your braking power reduces drastically. And what's even fascinating, the second portion of the meat over here is basically hardened pads. So it's just a hardened, doesn't really perform like the first portion over here. Keep that in mind. So just wanted to include that. Now over here on the newer style brakes over here, see, it's pretty much the same. The only difference is that these brake pads are a little bit newer, and they're a little bit softer, but it's pretty much the same procedure. Once they're at the 50% worn down, I would just throw and replace them. Now this one has about 95%. This one over here has about 60 I would say, 65, and the one at the front over there has about 95. So that's how you see, that's how you break down the wear. Usually at the back, that's where they wear out the most. Hope you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and over here to my right, I do more videos on the bikes. Take care and have a good one. Bye-bye.